Hey guys, it's Nyrel here. Look what we have here. I literally was not expecting this. I am totally lying, but I just got a package from Sue, and I'm thinking this is my birthday package, or if it's not, Sue, why are you going to kill me twice? But just look around the package. Just look at this glorious washi tape. It's cats. It's just cats. Cat galore. And in the back is sakura trees. So, in the little corner here, she says, Hide and Akise are straight bros for life. I don't know why that looks so different through camera, but I'm gonna have to draw them together now. But let's open this package. I'm gonna try to save the washi tape. I always try, and I always feel bad for blanking out the addresses because it just uglies the packages. So yeah, and I will try to cut off Hide and Akise from the bottom to save them because I need them in my life. Oh my gosh, she actually wrapped up everything. Where is the letter? That is what I'm looking for. Where is the note? Here it is. Like, I am, like, so not shocked anymore. I think everything is cats. And I think she's kind of sending the message to me that I overloaded her with cats. I didn't mean to. So, let's get this opened. Hopefully my phone will focus throughout the whole video. And yes, this is actually really cute. I would ask if this is the stationery you found in one of your vlogs. If it is, please tell me I'm right, because this is the cutest thing ever. And this is a 2-page note. Yes! Hi, Nyrel. It's that time of year again, the time where I attempt to kill you for your birthday. And guess what? You're growing old! Thank you for reminding me of that, Sue. It's very much so welcome. But I still love you. I hope you have a great early, on time, late birthday and enjoy it with your friends and family. I also hope that you will like everything that I have sent you this time. It's not much, but I still hope you like it. Keep on being amazing, Sue. And by the way, I try to keep this package cat themed. I see where you got your inspiration from, Sue. So I kind of already know where this is kind of going. Last time she tricked me, so yeah, so I'm gonna pull everything out. Wow, this is really cat themed. I'm like overloaded with all the kitties. This one says open me, so I'm gonna go with the one that says open me because I'm thinking this is how she wants me to go. Hopefully I'm not spoiling everything. First, there's art to inside. Hope you like it. Oh god, this is the art, Sue. And this is the cutest thing ever. Like, oh my gosh. So, I'm gonna open this. Okay. Inside there is some doodles that I created just for you. I feel so special. I drew them on the go, so I didn't have all the colors I needed. So some of them are a bit off, but I still hope you like them. I don't care if they're like a line. I will love them equally. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. And they're tightly in there. Like, man. Oh, why didn't you turn them backwards? I think this is the back. Alright, I'm trying not to spoil everything for me. Alright. Did I miss anything? I don't think I did. Alright, so I'm done with the cute envelope. So we're going to flip this over one by one. So 1, 2, 3, go! Oh my gosh! I just had to. Oh my goodness! This is so cute! She drew my my graduation photo. Like, I'll put it like right here so you can see the direct comparison. I actually had a photo on me on Instagram doing the same exact pose. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Alright, I'm gonna put it right here. So this one, 1, 2, 3, go. Ah! You got inspired by Dominica? She drew the baby Nor! Oh my gosh! I have been neglecting this child for so long, and I freaking love this. I actually kind of really love how Sue, you made him look like he's hiding his mouth, because he actually does hide his mouth because of reasons. I just think this is the most cutest thing, and oof, I love it. If you're open for chibi commissions, guys, go spam her, because she's amazing. And this is the last one, I think. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, go! I had to draw him after seeing your sketchbook. Oh my god! She drew a Kisei! This is the very first, besides Dominica's, official fan art I've ever gotten of a Kisei. It's so cute! Oh my gosh! So I'm like dead from the art, Sue. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I got some more plastics for my little mini notebook, because I can put these in there now. Alrighty, so we're gonna open up this kitty next. I don't remember who your favorite character from this particular show was, so I decided to randomly pick 2 for you. Enjoy more stuffs. I'm scared, because I'm thinking it's 1 or 2 shows she may be talking about, and there's only a certain amount of shows that I've been fangirling about on Instagram. So Sue, don't you do this to me. Don't you do this to me. I can't. Don't do this to me. Lord, don't do this to me. So I'm going to try to pull them out. So here we go. Okay. Alright, so you guys can look. I'm not really looking. So 1, 2, 3, go. Ah! It's Hero Academia! Ah! She sent Deku! This is so cute. I think these are new. Cause I think she just made these, if I'm not mistaken. These are phone charms. I'm like so mad because my phone does not have a charm thing on it. So whenever I upgrade to a new phone, I will try to get one with a charm hold, like a charm hole at the side, because I really want to start using these charms I get. So 1, 2, 3, go. All right. So you guys are seeing it. All right. So I'm going to look at 1, 2, 3. It's Todoroki! She sent the babes. She sent the babes. They're so cute. I'm like going to adore these. I literally am going to adore these. My favorite character, if you wanted to know, Sue, was Kachan, but I adore these. I will love them more than my love for Kachan. But oh my gosh, I can't even. And this is the last one. Oh, I can't. I cannot. And I'm seeing a Yurio butt. That's just a very nice butt. I need to stop. Alright, let's go. The washi tape is like not letting me open this. Alright. I'm gonna pull this out backwards because I don't want to spoil everything for me. So I'm gonna start with this one. All of your packaging is like so cute. Okay. So we're gonna open this. Well, not open, but turn it around. And 1, 2, 3, go! Ah! And the stickers! They're Yurio and Ice stickers! Let me try to get this off of here. Come on. I ripped it a little bit, but it's fine. Let's see who I got. And these are tiny. They're super tiny. Alright. There's Makachin. Here is, why am I forgetting his name? Otobek. This is Otobek. Here's Victor. Victia. Here's Yurio. Well, cat Yurio. No, this is Otobek. The first one was... Please remember... Please... This is Yuri. I'm going to get slapped. That's Yuri. Here's Victor again. You can't see it. My hands are like so big and sausagey. Here's Yurio again. Did I say that was Victor? That's Victor. That's Yurio. I'm messing up this whole thing. Here's Yuri again. And here's Minami. Domenica's gonna die from this. Here is JJ. This has to be JJ. If I'm wrong, correct me. Here's Pachit. You look so cute. He looks like a chocolate bun. And then here is Chris. Lord help me. Here is the last thing. The last thing. And of course, it's a fat cat on the front because you just have to love fat cats. Fat cats rule the world. Alright, so, and there's a cat right here. It kind of looks like Hello Kitty. The color scheme anyway. And this is one of those but you know the puff stickers that you can put your hand on and they kind of squish, which I really like. So we're just gonna open this up and see what's inside. Okay. 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 Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! These are like the prettiest stickers I've ever seen! These are like, I can't. Here's Totoro. I wish you could see that gold detail of them. Like, oh my gosh. There's a Totoro no face. My camera is not giving this any type of justice at all. Then I got 2 more Totoros. I got this cute one. There's some Buddhist. I think this is a Buddhist. I don't know. I'm so lost when it comes to Japanese things. And I'm supposed to be a Japanese lover. I'm so lost. Alright. Here's some more of those cute stickers. Ooh. There's some sweets. Japanese sweets. I've seen this thing before. I just don't know the name of it. I've seen it before. And here's another Totoro sticker. This is like gorge. And it says night is young. The night is young. And here's another one. Here's some more stickers. Alright, here's some more stickers. More stickers. Another Totoro. Here's the last sticker. So that's it. That's all I got. And I'm like overwhelmed with like stickers and all of the beautiful art, Sue. So I'm just going to recap on everything I got. I got all of these stickers and Sue said I spammed her with stickers. Yeah, you can follow me. I got Deku and Todoroki. I got the beautiful art Sue. Hopefully you can see this. My phone is like no Narelle, not today. And I'm not quoting BTS. And I got the derp the derp Yurio. So thank you so much, Sue, for sending me all of this lovely stuff. I'm just not worthy of all of your love, but thank you. You have officially just killed me and outdone me, and all I can say is I'm sorry, because I'm gonna put her unboxing of my stuff on the corner, and you'll know why I'm saying I'm sorry, because I kind of killed her. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Check Sue out. Her channel will be on this side. The video of her unboxing my stuff will be right here. Subscribe to me up here. And that's pretty much it. So I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.